Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset PS5 and PS5 Pro to factory settings. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. This is useful when you want to wipe everything on your console. Maybe you are selling your console or facing major system issue. Before you start, you need to keep in mind that this will erase all data, users and saved games. So backup your data first using PlayStation Plus cloud storage or a USB drive. Once you are ready, follow these steps. On the PS5 home screen, tap on the setting icon on the upper right corner, select System, System Software, Reset Options, select Reset your console, choose Reset again to confirm. Your PS5 or PS5 Pro will reboot and begin the reset process. It may take a few minutes depending on the storage size. Once the reset is complete, you need to go through the initial setup again, like language, Wi-Fi and sign in with your PlayStation account. You can then restore your backup from the cloud or USB if you have made one earlier. In case your console won't turn on or load the menu, don't worry, you can reset it via safe mode. Check out my another video for step-by-step instructions. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.